Hello, this is Delia. I just wanted to share something with y'all, just in case you wanted to pick one of these up. This is called a mini 7-egg cooker. It's really nice if you like to boil eggs. It also will do medium, hard eggs, and it'll also give you a little poach tray if you want to poach eggs. Here's the back of it, that you can do all this in it. Now, I found mine at Walmart, and it was only $9.99. It's a really nice little egg cooker. It cooks boiled eggs. You get 7 eggs in this thing for only 12 minutes. And I'm going to show you the results of what the eggs look like after they're boiled, because this thing is amazing. If you really like boiled eggs and you really like any type of eggs, this is really good. You'll like it. So I'll show you the boiled eggs and how they turned out. Okay, these are the eggs, and I put them in water. If you don't have ice, I ran out of ice, so I put them in cold water, and I just let the water run over top of them like this to get them nice and cold. Okay, as you can see, all of the eggs are nice. Okay, now, none of them cracked. Look, how nice. Beautiful eggs. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when I crack one. And this is from the egg cooker. And I always do them over water, because if you do them over water, it'll stop it from, look at that, easily. Look at that. It's nice. And all of them are like that. So if you want a nice egg cooker, get the Nostalgia egg cooker at Walmart. Now this egg cooker that I have, that I just showed you the eggs, how easy they are to peel. I'm going to show you the results of every egg after I get them done, how they look. Okay, here's the eggs after I got them all peeled. Now, some of them, you can see they're all nice, except for this one. Now, this one did come out of the thing because I got a little rough with it because I was trying to get it out of the thing. I got kind of fast. I was trying to hurry up. But as you can see, the rest of these, they turned out real good. And, well, this one kind of like did that because I was in a hurry. But anyway, but these turned out real good. And if you want to get that egg cooker, it's a good idea because it's a really good egg cooker. And it does eggs really well. Another thing I do while it's cooking, I tell my Alexa to time 12 minutes. Wait about 2 or 3 minutes after you put the eggs on to have her do that. That way you'll know exactly when they'll be done before your egg cooker. When they're done, they do make an eggy sound. It's like a little alarm. It's really cute. And yeah, so it's really nice. And then what you do is just turn it off and let them sit in there for about 3 minutes, and then they're done. And then what I do is I put them in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag and put a paper towel on them to keep them cold, and that'll keep them nice and cold. And that way you'll have it, they'll always be nice and cold for you. Okay, word on this egg cooker. This plate gets very, very hot. So make sure that you don't plug it in until you put the water in it. Then plug it up after you put this on, okay? Plug it up then. I got a severe burn on my finger the other day, and it turned into a deep burn on my finger, and it blistered, and it finally popped. But anyway, just make sure that you always do it that way. To get this off, it's a magic trick to this. It's really cool. You take white vinegar. I'll show you the trick. White vinegar. break up all that brown. And I always do that after I cook the eggs and let them cool off. And let the pan cool off. I'm going to put that in there. In a few minutes, I'm going to wipe it with a paper towel and I'll show you the results. Another thing that I do is I put them on a wet paper towel when I put them inside my container. Because what you want to do is when they're in that when they're on that wet paper towel, it will absorb them from getting mold. So I just keep them on that paper towel inside the container. And you can also put a wet paper towel on top if you want to, and dry each egg off. Supposed to dry each one off. Okay, and dry each one off before you put it in on that paper towel, and that way each one's dried. Okay, and that's how I do it, and then you just put the lid on. I probably wouldn't put the paper towel on top because I don't know what it'll do, but I know I usually put them in a Ziploc bag, but I'm going to put them in this container and try it and see how it works out, because we eat boiled eggs so much. And between my dog, I give her half an egg on her dog food every day and see how it turns out. Now, as you can see how that's broke up. See how that's broke up? Now watch. Looks brand new. Just white vinegar. Brand new machine, it looks like. And then I just come back and just dry it off. Or let it air dry. You can let it air dry if you want to. Kind of nice. And always wash your stuff after you get done, whatever you use for the eggs. Like this here broke, so I just went ahead and took that out. But you wash all of your utensils and everything that come with this. It comes with this. And you'll get a little cup like this. And I always put it where it says hard for the hard eggs. I put it a little bit over the hard, so that way it gets it a little bit doner. You can if you want to. There's a little pinprick at the bottom, and that's what you have to put a little pinprick in each egg before you put it on here. But it's real easy to do. You just pinprick each egg on the bottom and then set it up in the air like this for each egg and on your tray. And that's all you got to do. But anyway, if you want to pick this up, it's called the Nostalgia Mini 7 Egg Cooker. I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a wonderful day.